Okay. Now, next. What is the difference between being in silence and not being in silence? Being in silence is not being disturbed by thoughts. Being in silence is not being disturbed by thoughts. Not being in silence is attending to thoughts and getting disturbed. Now, gaining the ability not to be disturbed by what is happening outside is the mastery of life. What is development? Not to be disturbed by what is happening outside is the mastery of life. If you know how to be silent, then you are not disturbed by what is happening outside. You understand?
అర్థమవుతోందా మీకు?
If you are able to be in silence, you are not disturbed by what is happening outside. Now, next two statements are very important. Most people disturb others when they are disturbed inside. Husband has gone to office. Somebody who was supposed to pay money on that day, he did not come. And you call that person. He says, I cannot give. Not only I cannot give now, I cannot give you for another 2 months. Depending on his promise, you have done so many things. And now you are very disturbed. Now you say, that fellow has cheated me. Now I don't know what to do. You are very disturbed. How to adjust this, how to adjust that, so many things now is your problem.
Okay.
Now you come home with your disturbance inside. Okay. Now very disturbed. Then the wife says, Yamandi, shall we go there and buy some vegetables? Shall we go for shopping and purchase something? You are now carrying all this disturbance. As soon as she says, hey, shall we go for shopping? Then you say, why? Can't you go by yourself? Why you are always pestering me? And then you start scolding the wife. Now the wife is disturbed. You are always today, what has happened to you? Now she is disturbed. Now she goes out of the room. Now this fellow is not coming. I have to go. Huh? He comes out of the room. Gadbad. She goes outside. Your daughter is watching television. Then you go there and you see like this, and you are standing in front of the television. And that girl says, Mama, please move. Then you say, what? You are always watching television. I'm going to throw this television. And now the daughter is disturbed. So we are always passing on disturbance. Karma. This karma is transferred to this karma. And that karma is transferred to the next karma. So most people disturb others when they are disturbed inside. Okay. This chain is continuous.
ఇదేమవుతుంది ఇలాగనే
One person's karma transferred to another person's karma, and that person's another person's karma. So the whole world is only involved in karma. Now the next sentence, very important sentence.
చూడండి తర్వాత
A developed individual will go into silence rather than taking action in disturbance. Okay. You have to make this distinction, very, very important distinction. Okay? The difference between an enlightened person and an ignorant person is this. The ignorant person always says, somebody is disturbing me. The cause for my disturbance is somebody. My wife is the problem. Huh? My child is the problem. My customer is the problem. My partner is the problem. Okay? For all problems, we say somebody else is the cause for my disturbance. Okay? Correct? Almost everybody says the cause for my disturbance is somebody outside. If that fellow had not cheated, I wouldn't have had this problem. So, I am disturbed because of that fellow. Okay. Now, you must make this difference. Very, very important difference. Okay? Very important difference. You must recognize that you are disturbed, not somebody is disturbing me. Okay? When you recognize I am disturbed, when you recognize that I am disturbed, then I can do something about myself to get out of the disturbance. Okay? Okay? When you are disturbed, you can do sadhana and come to I am not disturbed. I am okay. Okay?
ఎప్పుడైతే నువ్వు కలత చెందేవో అప్పుడేం చేసేది సాధనలోకి వెళ్ళేది.
What is sadhana? To come from I am disturbed to I am not disturbed. I am okay. Sadhana is the means to get from I am disturbed to I am okay. That is sadhana. To come from, to shift from I am disturbed to I am okay. That is sadhana. From karma to akarma. When you are disturbed, should you take action? Understand? When you are disturbed, should you take action? When you are disturbed, what you should do? Go into silence. You understand this? Very, very important. Don't take action when you are disturbed. Very important. Don't scold your wife. When you are disturbed, you take time and become silent. Convert it from not okay to okay. And that is the sadhana which you are learning. Okay? You do enough of this sadhana until you become okay. Your okayness doesn't depend on somebody outside. Your okayness depends on how silent is your mind. The problem is not outside. Because you think there is a problem, there is a problem.